Today on Hemorrhoids.net we're going to take a look at a Twitter client called Tweetcaster. I'm starting off with a widget because that's the way we're going to enter in. So I've set it up using, I've actually got 3 different Twitter accounts. This one we're looking at here is for Hemorrhoids. Don't forget to follow us. Look at Hemorrhoids if you're on Twitter. As you can see, the widget is quite cool. It kind of rotates through the latest news for that account. And I can either tap in the "what are you doing" and go straight in to say what I'm doing to update my status. So I can tap on the bird. Oops, I say I can. It doesn't want to work. There we go. It's not normally that unresponsive. So here we are. We can see at the bottom it tells me when the last update was. It tells me how many tweets I've done. At the top, it tells me which account. It tells me how many new tweets there are. Look, there's one new tweet. It will tell me if there's any new messages. Okay, let's try again. There we go. So, got all my different accounts there, and I can swap between them as and when I like. Let's say I'm going to write a message as well. One thing I do like, I can tweet it and I can Facebook it as well. I tap there and the green bar appears. I also get different options in the menu. Look, so I can add a picture, I can add video, I can shrink any URLs that I've pasted, I can geotag it, I can bring up my username list if I want to send a message to someone or mention somebody. I can bring back the actual list. Look, I can move how that's. Let's go back to the Hemorrhoids. So I mean, it's got all the functionality that I would want. It's got lists and things. I know that's important to some people. And I just think generally it looks a lot nicer. If I go into if I tap on one of the tweets, I get different options. I can reply, I can favourite it, retweet it, or I can go to the actual link. If I go to the link, I get the option. I don't know why it wants to use Beyond Put. And obviously then it just loads up the page as you would expect. From the menu I can jump straight to the top, I can refresh it, I can see the people that sort of my followers and following. Get more apps by the people that made this one, or I can filter certain things. But we're not going to. And back to the widget. So I've stuck with this through. It is there's a free version with ads, or there's a paid version which I think is $4.99. For me, it's just the nicest looking. It's got a decent widget as well. And that's Tweetcaster, found on the market. Hemorrhoids.net.